Today in Living in Las Vegas, we go explore some stuff that looks fun. Let's get to the video. Oh no. I would leave that there.
I think this was the guard tower to get in to, and then there's the, so this is like the security checkpoint. Maybe, oh, there's an old computer.
It's a Tandy.
A Tandy?
I don't even know what that is.
Tandy was the same as Radio Shack. Yeah, this was definitely part of the school. I'm out here. There's an old chalkboard back here. Annabelle Soto was here last. That looks like a garage door.
Not good. And that side's fine.
So crazy to see places look like this. This is where they fix them?
Probably. Like, think about it. They probably had it. And go.
Wow, just burnt down to the ground. It doesn't even look like anyone came out to put it out. This fire put itself out, it looks like. Everything's melted, even the steel.
The lawnmower.
Somebody doesn't like Trump, imagine that. So here we are, we're inside the air traffic control tower. This is the first floor. So this was like ground control. Probably had a bunch of desks set up here, and this would overlook the airfield. So we're gonna keep going up. We're gonna try to go up to the top of the tower. Give you guys a nice view. Should we go up there? I don't know if those look the best.
What? It's built back then. It's strong as fuck. Strong as fuck.
I don't know, look. This whole roof's, or this whole floor is gone.
It looks stable. Let's try it. Because under this, like all the all of the main stuff's still there. It's just.
Oh, here he comes. He's coming this way. Let's go.
Really?
This way. Oh, man. So crazy. Look, people do go up there.
Yeah. I think it's longer. I think the other one was
Taller.
with her and taller. With her. He is a weird word that don't even make sense. this?
Everybody get their orders. Come in here. Probably it was like the lounge for everybody to wait until their plane would take off. This definitely looks like that's the tail, or that's the tail of an airplane.
Yeah, it's over there.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.